documents. In a major crackdown against illegal migrants ahead of the Delhi polls, which has also become a major poll issue, the Delhi police had launched a door-to-door verification drive in the earlier months of, in fact, the 2024 to intensify the efforts in nabbing foreign nationals, including Bangladeshi and Rohingyas residing illegally in the parts of the national capital. The drive has kicked in across various districts in the national capital, including Dwarka, Southwest and West districts. In this detailed report that we are bringing exclusively to you from West District's Tihar village, let's take a close look on how the police personnel have conducted the door-to-door verification drive and checked for the authentication of the residents through the documentation and proper verification of the documents on the suspicion of them residing illegally in the pockets of the national capital. So far, the Delhi police has arrested and deported over 30 illegal Bangladeshi migrants in the last few days. The series of arrests that have been made so far is a part of two-month verification drive launched by the Delhi police to identify and deport illegal migrants, following the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saksena's directive for the same. Let's take a look. Down against illegal migrants in the national capital, just ahead of the polls, has intensified. This is the area in the West District of the national capital, the Tihar village, situated near the Harinagar police station under the West District of the national capital, where the illegal migrant hub has been busted. And if you can see behind me, the drive for door-to-door verification is going on. And through the visuals, let us bring clarity of the matter. As you can see, the entire, in fact, gathering of the residents in this Tihar village is being checked by the police personnel at this district, in this locality, where there are people from different communities, but possibly, in fact, people belonging from various regions without any documented proof. No Aadhaar cards, no documented verification. And while being checked, in fact, the beat police officers from these areas have tried to locate their whereabouts, which after failing have been now sent to the police station. These are nearly 30 to 40 residents that have been nabbed so far without any proper and valid documents, that haven't been produced, and they have been living here for many years now. And this is just the intensification of how many drives have been conducted in the national capital. But this is nearly the night time. As you can see, the people behind me, these are children, these are people of the labor class which have been residing here in this area, where the drive was conducted to check and take the proper measures into nab the illegal migrants situated in these isolated and very narrow colonies. Let me also get a word from the police officer. सर, ये जिस तरीके की ड्राइव हुई है डोर टू डोर वेरिफिकेशन, क्या क्या अभी सामने आया है और कितने ऐसी जगहें हैं जहां पर अभी और पहुंचना बाकी है?
मैम, ये दिल्ली विधानसभा चुनाव के मद्देनजर इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स और एंटी सोशल और एलिमेंट्स क्रिमिनल्स को ट्रेस करने के लिए हमने डोर टू डोर प्रोग्राम ये बनाया है। इसमें बहुत लोगों को हमने डिटेन किया है और उनको वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं कि कोई इलीगल माइग्रेंट मिल गया तो एक्शन लेंगे।
क्या उनके पास कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं था या डॉक्यूमेंट थे प्रॉपर नहीं थे? क्या जांच में निकल के सामने आ रहा है?
हाँ मैम, अभी उनको डॉक्यूमेंट्स को चेक कर रहे हैं और जैसा भी यदि डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं मिलता है तो एक्शन लेंगे, जो भी एक्शन बनेगा। और यदि मान लो कि डॉक्यूमेंट निकल आता है तो कोई बात नहीं है। और इसमें हमने बांग्लादेशीज को ट्रेस करने के लिए, रोहिंग्याज को ट्रेस करने के लिए, ये भी हमारा इसमें टारगेट है डोर टू डोर इस प्रोग्राम का।
सरहद पार के भी लोगों का यहाँ पे मौजूद होना और यहाँ पे बहुत सालों से रहना, डेरा डालना, इसका भी पूरा एक शक है।
इस बात की पूरी आशंका है कि सरहद पार के इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स हो सकते हैं। उनको ट्रेस करने के लिए ही हमने ये कार्यक्रम बनाया है।
क्या ऐसी भी और आशंका है कि आगे आने वाले जितने भी और साथ में लगे सटे इलाके हैं, यहाँ पर भी और मौजूदगी हो सकती है?
हाँ मैम, तिहाड़ गांव है, ये काफ़ी थिकली पॉपुलेटेड है, तो इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है जो कि सटी हुई है। इनको ट्रेस करने के लिए हमारा ये प्रोग्राम है, और भी आगे भी प्रोग्राम हो सकते हैं, आगे भी कॉलोनीज कोई हो सकते हैं जिनमें ये इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स मिल सकते हैं।
As in fact you can see behind me, let me show you the narrow lanes here, as there are the verification that is going on, and this is the region. The locality, as you can see here, has even a mosque presently on the ground. The illegal migrants that possibly could have been situated is in this location, which is very narrowly in fact set up, and this is highly populated, as there are in fact so many homes which have at this point of time not been able to register their complete whereabouts and their verification through the Aadhaar cards. So far in this West District only 5,000 households is the given number that we are told have been checked under this entire drive to verify and to trace the documents of these migrants, or possibly even the residents who are not able to produce the documents further. And so far there are other areas where these drives have been taken in Raghubir Nagar and Mayapuri. There are these many areas in the district where the drive has been intensified. At this point of time, the intense focus has been to check the documents, to understand that what all are the population located in the close pockets of this locality. Tihar village is what we are given to understand. And as we go even further, these are the areas of the national capital where in fact the access of any four-wheeler is impossible, close to impossible. These are the closely narrowed and mostly ignorant pockets of the national capital where the intensify of this drive is happening by the police officers of the West District in the national capital. The numbers are yet to come. People and the residents who have not been able to produce this have been sent back in complete packages, and they have been sent back to the police station to verify the documents, and then they will be questioned further. This is Simran with video journalist Himanshu for NewsX. As the emphasis has grown on cracking down the population of the illegal migrants in the national capital, let us now show you how exactly the checks are being done. This is what the exercise looks like. People from the separate, isolated regions in the national capital, and this particular region is the Tihar village situated near the Harinagar police station in the national capital in the West District is, and the police officers that have constituted a team specifically have gone inside the homes and then checked the people who have been living here. This is the house which nearly houses 200 people, a very shallow, narrowly constructed house, giving space for the residents to live in 200 number, and then these people are being asked to check, to give their documents and if they have any Aadhaar card. Let us also now speak to them. आपके पास आपका आधार कार्ड है? जैसे ये दिखाइए आप, आपके पास. These documents will be checked by the police, but there are many people who are also situated here without any documents or without any proper valid proofs that people can be then identified and then nabbed further. As this is one of the buildings where the landlord is not present at this house, and if at all the police is checking these valid documents, many people have the documents, rest of them currently don't have it as of now. This is the live drive and the exercise for checking the people who have been living in these small pockets, in these isolated regions near the borders of the national capital, to keep a check, in fact, ahead of the crackdown on the illegal migrants that have been living in the national capital. As the police has been asking all the people to come out of the building and give the checks to their, in fact, documents. Let us also understand what has been the process so far. अभी तक क्या क्या पता लग पाया है? अभी तक क्या क्या पता लग पाया है इसके बारे में एक बार जरा बताइए कि जब पूछा जाता है तो क्या क्या सामने निकल के आ रहा है, कहाँ कहाँ से हैं ये लोग?
मैम इनसे पूछा गया है कि अपना आधार कार्ड दिखाइए, तो कुछ लोग ईस्टर्न यूपी से, कुछ अपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट एरिया से हैं, और कुछ के पास कागज है, कुछ के पास कागज नहीं है, कुछ के पास डॉक्यूमेंट है, और कुछ लोगों के पास डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है. वी आर चेकिंग द सेम.
As in fact you can see in the visuals behind me, the thorough checking is going on, and there are people who have been residing here for years without any documents, and there is no check that has been going on for a long time. This is a very densely populated and also the kind of hub where most of the criminals are situated for the most negligent and criminal offences in the national capital. And as if we can see behind me, this is what the checking is looking like. At this point of time, most of these residents either don't have the valid documents, or they have the document but that is not the valid proof of in fact their residence. Most of them also don't know about who they are paying the rent to. But one thing is very clear, that many of these people living and residing in these colonies, these very small situated, isolated, highly populated colonies, have been living on rent. That in itself is a big, in fact, number to give an idea about that without any proper documentation, houses are being given on rent from these people or the landlords here, who themselves are not present at the site. This is Simran with video journalist Himanshu for NewsX.